Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before I am presentation about the theory of algorithm complexity, I will introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Alparisi Raska Ramadhani, NPM 24312033. Okay, I will presentation about the theory of algorithm complexity. Why study algorithm complexity? Algorithms are the backbone of computing, but efficiency matters strongly. Complexity analysis measures the resource, time, and memory that algorithm consume as problem grow larger. This understanding has real-world consequences. Faster algorithms save computational resource, reduce energy consumption, lower infrastructure costs, and enable solutions to frequently intractable problems. In our data-driven world, the difference between an O and O and algorithm can mean the difference between instant result and hours of waiting. Measure complexity, time, and space. Time complexity. Count the number of elementary operations, comparison, segment, arithmetic operation. As the input size grows, preference of running time scales with problem magnitude. Space complexity. Measure memory consumed during computation, including variables, data structures, and resource stack, critical for systems with limited memory. Both metrics are expressed as a function of input size n, allowing us to predict performance before implementation. Asymptotic notation, big O, omega, and theta. Big O, upper bound, describes worst case scenario, the maximum resource an algorithm will ever need. Omega, lower bound, describes best case scenario, the minimum resource required. Theta, tight bound, describes exact of average growth rate, the algorithm performance with this bound. Complexity classes P, NP, and beyond. P. Polynomial time. Problem solved efficiently by a deterministic computer. Includes sorting, searching, shortest path. These are considered trackable in computational theory. NP. Non-determinacy polynomial. Problem where proposed solution can be figured closely even if finding them much hard. Example: traveling salesman, static fidelity, graphic coloring. The P and NP question. Is every problem where solution can be verified quickly also solved quickly? Remind also $1 million millennium prize problem. NP comparison problem are the hardest written NP solving on efficiently would solve all. The role of reduction and hardness. Reduction are transformations that convert one conventional problem into another. They are powerful proof techniques. If we can reduce a now hard problem to a new problem, the new problem must be equally hard. Problem comparison. Reduction establishes a relationship between problem difficulty levels, creating an hierarchy of computational hardness. Hardness proof. So that a new problem is at least as difficult as no hard problem. Add-on NP complete problem like satisfiability. Classification tools enable resource to catalog problem by inherent difficulty, building which differs a function algorithm versus exact solution. Next, average versus worst case complexity. Worst case analysis. Grounds performance in the absolute worst scenario. Provides a bar bound regardless of input distribution. Converse, conversative but safe for circuitry system. Average case analysis. Measure expected performance over typical input, often more realistic and optimistic than worst case. Define of smart input distribution. Next, space complexity and other resources. Space complexity. Measure memory composition, include variables, array, and recursion depth. Critical of embedded system and large-scale data process where RAM is limited. Communication complexity. Analysis data exchange between processor in distributed algorithm. Measures bandwidth and synchronization overhead in parallel computing environment. Arithmetic complexity. Fundamental arithmetic operation. Addition, multiplication. Regardless of elementation, essential in numerical analysis and cryptography where operation cost varies dramatically. Next, modern advanced and open problem. Quantum complexity explores computational power of quantum computer which can solve certain problem exponentially faster than classical algorithm, revolutionizing cryptography and simulation. Hardness of approximation investigates fundamental limit how closely NP-hard problem can be approximate. Reveals that some problem cannot be approximate beyond certain threshold. Open frontier. P versus NP remain approximate. Risk lower bound. The randomization and complexity of learning problem continue challenging the charges worldwide. Conclusion. Why complexity theory matters? Design guidance. Inform algorithm selection and optimization strategies, enabling engineering to build efficiency system. Computational limit. Reveals fundamental boundaries of the what computer can achieve, distinguishing possible from impossible. Future innovation. Inspiring new computation paradigms, quantum, optical, DL computing, and drive breakthrough technology forward. Universal understanding provides the mathematical foundation for comprehending what computer fundamentally can do. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.